Welcome to the module 2 of this online course. In this video, you're going to be learning how to cut and arrange your clip, be it vlog, talking head videos. You're going to be learning how to do this step by step. Grab your popcorn, your video. Let's dive in. Before we go further, here are some things I want you to understand to get used to when you are editing your videos. So first of all, this place is used to import a video. Once you click on this place, this import new video, then you look for the video you want to actually add. So if I want to add this particular video, I'll click on here. It will look something like that. Then I'll click on add. It will now be imported into CapCut. So once it's imported into CapCut, this is edit. Once you click on this edit, it will appear like this. This is used to split your videos, to cut your videos, which we did in the other part. This place is used to cut. Once you click on here, your video is split. You can delete anyone. If you want to delete your video, you make sure that it's like this. Then you look for delete and delete it. You see how I did it? And delete it. That's how it works. You delete the part that you don't want. You see? So the next thing you're gonna be this thing familiar with is this thing. It is called keyframe. This particular thing, it is called keyframe. This thing is called keyframe. So what it's used for, it is used to zoom in your videos. For example, this particular video, if I want to zoom it in, I'll just click on I'll just take the video back to where I want it to start zooming in. Once it's here, I'll click on this add keyframe. It will automatically add the keyframe. Then where I want it to stop, like if I want this video to stop in the zooming to stop in this particular place, I will then drag the video with my hand. You will use your hand to drag it. Once you see how I dragged it, and the keyframe has automatically added by itself. You can see how it appears. You can see how it went from still to this. Yeah, this is what keyframe is used to, and it's also used to add transition, yes, to your video. But the next thing is this animation. This is called animation. It is used to add effects, animation, transition to your videos. For example, if you click on it, you will have so many intro effects you can use in your videos. You can see it. You can just, it's very plenty here. You can just walk around it and choose the one that fits your styles in your videos. That is it. That is what this one is all about. I always go to this place for a zoom in. Like if you want to zoom in, you see how it is. So I'm gonna be using this. It only appears at the beginning of the video where you want it to actually happen, like this. So the next thing we are gonna be talking about is sound effects. To get the sound effect, you just click on this audio. This is if you have already sound in your gallery and you want to import it into CapCut. For example, if you click on this extract sound, it is free. If you click on it, you check any video that you want it to extract an audio from. Like if I want the audio of this particular video to appear in that one, I'll just click on the video. I bet you didn't know that this background light. You see, the audio is automatically added without the video. This is how to add audio that you want to. I bet you didn't know that this background light is actually fake. You see how it is. So this is what this particular extract is used for. So let me just go back. So the next thing is sound effect. This is sound effect. This is it. This is also sound. This one is just a normal sound that you can actually put in your videos. You can see. Let me just play it. This is where you get the sounds like this. So we don't need any of this sound for them. So this one is sound effects. This is where you get a sound. So because I added this transition, if I want to add the sound, then I'm gonna be using this whoosh. Let me just add this whoosh. This is where you see this sound effects. Add, let me just add it. You see how it made the video look. You see, that is how to do this one. The next thing we are gonna be you need to be familiar with is is a mask. This is mask. Anyway, let's talk about this remove background. This is remove background. If you want to remove background from anything from your video, this is auto remove. If you click here, it will remove the background. It will automatically remove the background of your video. It will restore it back. If you want a custom remove, like if I just want to brush, like I want my face to be removed, I'll just click on it and yeah, it will automatically remove it. This is how it applies, but I do not want it. So the next thing is chroma key. If you have a green screen something, just point at the color. It will just remove it for you. This is what this chroma key is used for. So the next thing you need to be familiar with that will make your video look easy is masking. This is mask. This is used to do like a transition or to cut out something, to layer something. For example, if I duplicate this video, if I go ahead and duplicate the video, if I duplicate this video, I tap on this video, then I look for overlay and bring it down, then I use my hand to drag it to the beginning of this video. Then I'll go back and use a remove background or a chroma key. You see, this is what it is used for, to either remove objects or clone it. Don't worry, we're gonna be working on all of this in this video. So I just want you to be familiar with when I say use chroma key. So this is what I mean. You can check it around and yeah, it is good. And that is what you need to be familiar with to actually get a clean background. Another thing is effect, filter or something. These filters, you can use these filters to color grade your videos and it will make it look amazing. If you add a filter to your video, if you want to color grade, I always use this Bondi. It gives this cinematic effect in your videos. And if I want to, and another thing is test. This is test. This is test. Add test. Then you can choose from this as a template. You see, there are various templates to choose from to make your video look aesthetic. This is font. you will choose different fonts of your choice. And if you want to save anyone to your favorite so that you'll not be looking for it, just click on it like this. It is added to your favorite. That's it. If you want to style it, it is here. It's either increases increases the text or reduce the text. Here is opacity. If you don't want the text to appear much in your videos, you can reduce it here. You see? So this is it. You can animate your text using this animation something. If you want your text to be like this, you see how it is. Just choose any one of your choice and your text will be added or got this cinematic transition in your videos. This is where you get them. Okay, so now let's go over and use this thing to edit our video. If you want to shoot your content, first of all, you have to set up your tripod, position your chair, and put your phone on the tripod. So in this video, I'm not showing you how I was able to set up and shoot this particular video we are going to be using for the particular tutorial. I use script sometimes, so if I want to use script, I will just use put it under this tripod so that I can be able to see it and be talking directly to the camera. So let's see what we got. And before shooting, I make sure I wipe my lens. I clean my lens. So in this video, I'm using my front camera. That's why I was wiping it like this. I wasn't using my back camera. After wiping it, then yeah, I position it. Then I start recording the video. Always make sure that your mic is on, because I almost shoot this video without my mic being on till I discover it. The reason I made this video is for you to understand how I was able to get this particular video and how the outcome came out. So I want you to watch it, and yeah, and I'm going to be dropping this raw video for you to try out for yourself.
Hi creatives, welcome to my online class. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to edit on CapCut. Hi creatives, welcome to my online course. Hi creative. Oh, it's kind of weird. Okay, let's go again. Hi creatives, welcome to my online class. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I edit my cap. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I edit my videos using CapCut. If you've ever struggled making your video look clean and professional, if you ever struggle making your video look clean and professional, don't worry. I've been there too. In this course, I'm going to be breaking everything down for you step by step for you to follow. Make sure you watch to the end because I'm going to be sharing a few tips to help you level up your content. Don't forget to like and follow me for more. Let's get started. Don't worry. Let's get started. No, let's just leave this part.
Once you're done recording your video, click on CapCut and tap on this new project. Then import the video you want to edit into CapCut. So here is the video. I'm gonna click on it and click on add, and it will appear like this on CapCut. So now it is time for us to cut the clip, remove the unwanted parts, the mistakes, and the flop word, fillers what we just said on the raw videos. So what you have to do is go through your timeline and find that perfect place that you said your word right. I mean that place that you get your script right. If it is a vlog, you scroll through your timeline and look for that place you want to show to your audience, that place that is very very important. you want to show to your audience. Once you find that particular place, you click on the video. Then look for this split effect and split it exactly the place you get your word right or you want to show to your audience, just like the way I did in this video.
Online class. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I edit my cap. I edit. Today's video, I'm going to be welcome to my online class. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I edit my cap. In today's video, I'm going to be in today's video, and once you split it, then you delete the bad one, the one that you don't like. Just click on it and delete it. Hi creatives, welcome to my online class. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I edit my welcome to my online class. In today's video, I'm online class. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I edit my videos using CapCut. If you ever struggle making your if you've ever struggled making your video look clean and professional, if you ever struggle making your video look clean and professional, making your video look clean and professional. If you
If you follow the exact step that I
using
use,
CapCut,
you
if you
will
ever
get the
struggle
same
making
result
your
that I
video look
did
clean
in
and
this video.
professional,
After cutting and removing the unwanted part, all you have to do now is to review your work to know if there is a mistake. Let's watch this video together.
hi creatives, welcome to my online class. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I edit my videos using CapCut. If you ever struggle making your video look clean and professional, don't worry. I've been there too. In this course, I'm going to be breaking everything down for you step by step for you.
You can see how good and how what looks like now. Understanding how to clip properly and aligning it very well will make your video stand out. Once you're done, you review your work. The next step is to export it using the export button. I'm going to be dropping the raw video of this tutorial and the edited one for you to go and try out this exact step, or you can actually record your video, or I can actually give you the script that I used to make this video for you to go and try out. Then I will review it later. This is an assignment so that you actually know, so that I will know that you actually get what I said in this video. So in the next video, we are going to be learning how to make it clean and professional. See you in the next module.
Hi creatives, welcome to my online class. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I edit my videos using CapCut. If you ever struggle making your video look clean and professional, don't worry. I've been there too. In this course, I'm going to be breaking everything down for you step by step for you to follow. Make sure you watch to the end because I'm going to be sharing a few tips to help you level up your content. Don't forget to like and follow me for more.